Hello everyone and welcome to another session. And in this session, I would like to introduce you to how you can install the wxPython package. Before you be able to do anything, you need to install the package first so that you can access all the libraries and all the functions needed for the execution of any project or application that you want to have. And to install the package, uh, for this, I would like to use the pip command. So we type pip install minus u then ws python. Sorry, this. So it will download all the libraries and dependencies and install it for you. So let's wait as it does. Yes, so now it's done installing, so we are good to go. So thank you.